small bike truck. Everything was donated. We have like ices for the kids.
I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy. You gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go.
Let's see if we can get a little. This is the St. Paul Bike Cop Community Service for kids. Looks like an old bread truck.
You guys want ice or water?
Oh, you just kind of go to different community centers and whatnot. That's awesome.
See some kids.
There's a basketball net. So if we had a lot of kids here, we'd have squads block either end. And we got a basketball net on our side. Little gaming system.
Oh, really?
Video system
Well, I have to go around.
Games, you can open that up. There's a big screen.
Oh, hey, do you want to give us a tour quick?
If you, yeah, I'd love to film it. If you could give us a tour real quick.
So it's a St. Paul bike truck. Everything was donated. We have like ices for the kids, or for mom and dads, or whoever out here, grandma, grandpa. We got waters. And then if a kid needs a helmet, we fit them with a helmet. There's different sizes for the kid. If their bike's broke, we'll repair it. We have extra tires. We have tubes. Yeah, like I said, everything was donated. But second summer, first summer? Yeah, second summer. Last year because of COVID and everything. But yeah, it was all donated to the police department.
Free books too.
We go out to, sometimes we go out to different events. But mostly it's just we drive around, see kids in the neighborhood. Like, you see what's coming up here. You want an icy or a bike helmet? That's how usually they come out. Right. It's a warm day.
That's cool. So this is the Frogtown Community Center.
You want a bike helmet or an icy? Yeah, the helmet.
That's cool. So he's just helping kids out, and they come up and bike repairs or any kind of bike.
There we go.
Cool. So got the Mario Kart on the side of the bus.
I've been through some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. And oh, this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching.